Welcome to today's surprise video, and we're kicking things off with this little surprise.
Oh, baby! Oh my God! Oh! What? Oh, it's an actual dog! It's an actual dog! It's ours? Here, come here. Come here, baby. Come here.
One big, huge gift for you guys. Yep.
That box is shaking like it's hiding a secret.
Open it up. Open it up.
No freaking way. No. No way. No way. No. Hey, dog.
What do you need?
Every time I open the car door, it's like a magic trick. Always a surprise waiting inside.
Wait, that's for me? Is it our pet? What's its name?
Her name's Stevie.
Stevie! Surprise! Surprise!
Happy birthday, Aubrey Kate.
Oh, no!
Happy birthday. Careful.
No, it's a dog puppy.
What do you think? Can you believe Daddy got it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Today's full of big surprise gift boxes. And the surprise is just as big.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Nike.
It is cute as it can be.
Say hi.
What'd she think?
Oh.
We got a surprise.
Surprise! This is Baby Cooper, proving that cuteness can be a full-time job.
Oh my God. Yes. This is Baby Cooper. And he's gonna come in. Hi, baby. Boy or girl? A boy? Hello. Hello. Wait, is that ours?
Along with happy tears and belly laughs, my dog's surprise moments are the best.
I got a baby face. Why is he crying? What's your name?
I don't know. Your own puppy. He's always yours.
He pretended to have a stomachache, but the real secret hidden under his shirt was a Belgian Malinois sheepdog.
It's okay. But sometimes I get gassy. I'm just bloated.
Ew.
I know. It's weird.
That's not your stomach, is it? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? It's a baby! What's his name? Can I hold him?
Look. Here, you guys want to sit down? Oh my God. Here,
The
grab
gift
him.
that kicked off the chaos and somehow made it adorable.
Hurry. Oh, pick her up. Dax, sit down. Sit down. What is that?
No, really?
Here's Mom.
The girl's confusion says it all. She has no idea what's about to blow her mind.
Who's it? Oh, hello.
Oh, don't you make me cry.
Silly and puppy.
Yeah. I just drove all the way to Rugby to go and pick it up for you. Kelly Marie.
What's your surprise gift wish for this Christmas? Hit that subscribe button and leave it in the comments. Maybe someone will read it and actually make it happen for you. This Christmas, every kid got a surprise gift, the puppy they'd been wishing for. Now, they're wondering if they'll ever get any sleep again.
Oh, Lucia, come here. Say hello.
What Christmas gift do I want this year? Honestly, if it's anything as surprising as this, I'm good.
Ja! Det är Goofy.
Det är så
Imansen.
Det är Simonsen. Hallo.
Kan ik hem optellen?
Je kan.
Dus zijn naam Colby. Prachtig. Hallo.
We've got a new partner in crime.
Kidding me. You're not kidding me. We got the dog. And a puppy.
Het is een puppy.
And a big puppy.
Having a dog as a best friend is the best gift a child can ever get. Here's a big brother who knows exactly how to surprise his little sister. A small gift, but one that's her dream come true, and to top it off, a cute puppy to keep her company and be her new best friend.
Sit down.
Is that a puppy?
Sit down. You're supposed to be on the couch with your eyes closed.
You didn't tell me to close my eyes. Is this a puppy for me?
Yeah.
I knew it.
But we might need to take him outside because he's just been in the car for a while.
Thank you.
Why are you looking at Dad?
I didn't
Thank you.
off work.
Isn't it so cute?
Picture of her with her face.
I feel like I'm crying.
I
You're
feel
crying.
like I'm crying. Aw.
Look, he left.
Hey, Graham, do you want to come over here and see? Do you want to come over? Come here.
Give her a little slap up there.
I don't want to pick up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Close your eyes, make a wish, and boom, the gift of your dreams just appeared. It's a cute dog, ready to steal your heart and your socks.
That is. So, what do you think about that?
Isn't he cute?
And he's already an airplane dog too.
Airplane dog.
Yep.
Hey, you, stop it.
Nice and easy.
What is it? What is it? Are you crying?
Nance, come on, open the box.
She's being dramatic.
Meet Gemma.
Gemma.
Your name's Gemma.
This Christmas, surprise the little ones with a gift that brings endless joy and companionship: a puppy. There's no better way to teach them love, responsibility, and the beauty of nurturing another life. A puppy can be a lifelong friend, offering unconditional love and loyalty. If you're considering a meaningful gift for a child this holiday season, a puppy might just be the perfect choice. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel with others. Thank you all for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Is this the one that we were looking at?
Yep. Hello. Come say hello.